Okay, so this is the new Ninja coffee pot that I bought from Amazon, and I love it. I have a Keurig, and the Keurig has always given me issues. Like, I get the $58 one, the cheap one, and I always have problems with the descaler thing coming on, and I can't never get it clean, and it doesn't work right. Sometimes it spits out coffee grounds or whatever. So I decided to try something different and spend a little bit more money on a different coffee pot. So we're going to try this Ninja coffee pot and see what's going on with it. Anyway, on the top you can see it has different sizes for your coffee, all the way up to 12. You can get 12 ounces. This is where you either do your pod or your beans. You have your style here with classic, rich, and over ice. You have your cleaning button and the power button. So once it's done, you can pull that up. This is where the coffee thing goes, and this is the little holder thing. That's for the pods, and that's your little bin there, and you just push it together. And then over here on the side, you have this really cool little scoop for regular coffee, which I think is really awesome. And that just snaps right in here. And then down here at the bottom is where you store your grounds pod if you want to use it. And it's kind of big, way bigger than the ones you use in the Keurig. But anyway, it has this cool little storage drawer. I like it.
Like I said in my comment, my husband and I live in an RV, and we wanted to get a coffee maker like this, but we were concerned about the size. When you're in an RV, space is very limited, and any kind of device that you can get that can save counter space is something you're going to want to do. So when we found this one, I was a little concerned. I thought it might not work very good. I thought I was going to maybe have to refill the reservoir after 1 or 2 cups, which we don't. This has a 48-ounce capacity, which is perfect, so you're not refilling, and all of that. I'm going to make you a cup of coffee here so you can see how it works. When you snap it down, it does turn it on. And you have all these different settings. I normally just do classic. You've got classic, rich, or over ice. I have not tried that one, but I'm going to have to do that. So I'm going to do classic. And then the size of the cup will be 6 ounces. I'm going to make a cup for you. I know a lot of people have coffee makers, but this is my first one, so I'm pretty excited. Okay, so you can make classic, rich over ice, or specialty. And then these are the different sizes you can do. If you open this, this is like the regular, if you want to use your own coffee grounds. And if not, you can store it in this cute little drawer. It's hard to do with one hand. Oh, I don't have it mashed in there. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so that goes in there. This is for like a pod, and it just pops in there like that. And then this little thing, I think, goes up if you have like a smaller cup. I don't think I would ever use that, but whatever. And then over here,
this is the Ninja single serve pod coffee ground specialty maker. And this is it here. Has a spoon on the side. Here's other gadgets. Frother's that. This is for the filter type. This one has the pod. I'm using a regular filter. My first time using it. This will be so you can press size.
The Ninja coffee maker. I just received it a couple of days ago. I love it. I like the minimalist appearance, very modernistic. I like the frother on the side that hides away when not in use. I like the water container that holds 56 ounces of water, the same size as the Keurig that I was replacing every couple of years. Takes up a lot less space.
The most important thing to prepare for winter is your food. It's all you must. Reindeer moss is really cool, but it doesn't taste good. Whereas the rock tripe actually has a consistency and a taste that I'm really enjoying. It's like a toasty, nutty flavour. So chewy. Crazy.